So now that we've got the code, I'm just going to show you quickly that it will work. So we'll just go into my site and join the dashboard, and you can add these any kind of site, WordPress, Wix. That's the only two I have here. I'm sure that anything that you can connect like Google Tag Manager to or anything like that should be able to do it. All right, so in mine, we're just going to do the easy way, and I have a plugin from WordPress called Insert Header Footer. I'll just let this load up. So this is just a simple plugin that lets you put these kind of codes in your header, footer, or body. I put mine here in the footer, and it's really just that simple. So I take that code, go ahead and save it here, and we'll be able to see it working here shortly. All right, so now that I've saved it, just make sure it works. Just visit your site, click around. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to us at 407-558-2789, 407-558-2789, 407-558-CRUISE, RogerCruiseMarketing.com. Love to chat with you. Take care. Bye. Oh, sorry about that. I'm used to saying bye after that. Let this load up. Here it is. And sorry, I'm doing some video editing here in the background. It might just be a little slower than normal today. And there it is, and it greets us. So perfect. If you've been watching since the last video, actually following along, make sure you go back and activate the chatbot here. A little side note. And as long as you install the code in, it should work fine on the load. And like I said, this is a WordPress site that I just put it directly on the site. And this is a Wix site. And same thing. It's directly on the site itself. Everything looks like it's working properly. Yeah, everything's going pretty good. Let's test her out. Judging from here, it looks good. And perfect, just like I had asked it to do. Just start with the regular opening, and this is the regular opening we have for the spot. So perfect, it works exactly how we want. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, any questions, 407-558-2789. Thank you so much.